Hello everyone. In today's review session, we will be going over VAR, which is Vector Autoregressive Model. The Vector Autoregressive Model is a multivariate time series model that relates current observations of a variable with past observations of itself and past observations of other variables in the system. Now, VAR models differ from univariate autoregressive models because they can allow feedback to occur between the different variables of the model. Now, there are many use cases of VARs. They can be specifically used for forecasting a collection of related variables. They can be used to test whether one variable is useful in forecasting another. There is something called impulse response analysis, where the response of one variable to a sudden but temporary change in another variable is analyzed. There is another use case, which is forecast error variance decomposition, where the proportion of the forecast variance of each variable is attributed to the effects of other variables. Now, here are the advantages of using VAR. It allows a systematic but flexible approach for capturing complex real-world behavior. And it allows better forecasting performance. Another advantage is its ability to capture the intertwined dynamics of time series data. The VAR modeling is generally a multi-step process, and here are the steps that are involved. You start off with specifying and estimating a VAR model, using inferences to check and revise the model as needed, forecasting and structural analysis. Now, who are the groups of people who use these VAR models? The VAR models are traditionally used in finance and econometrics because they offer a framework for accomplishing important modeling goals, including some of these goals, which are data description, forecasting, policy analysis, and structural inference. So here is an example that is available in the textbook as well, that will be covered in this review. So the data set that we are using is the US change data, which is a quarterly teasable containing percentage changes in quarterly personal consumption expenditure, personal disposable income, production, savings, and the unemployment rate for the US from the year 1970 to 2016. So here we are fitting a model basically with these two parameters, AICC and BIC. Now here we can see that VAR of 5 model is selected using the AIC, which is default, while VAR of 1 model is selected using BIC. So here's a fact about BIC. The BIC will always select a model that has fewer parameters than the AIC model, as it imposes a stronger penalty on the number of parameters. Now here we have made an autocorrelation plot. We can see that the residuals from VAR of 1 have a significant autocorrelation, while the VAR of 5 model has effectively captured all the information in the data. Now, once we have done this, we can make a plot of the forecast. So this is the end of the short tutorial on VAR. The recording will be posted to you on Canvas. Be sure to post your questions on Piazza. Thank you.